Hey, Lee Pennington here, I hope you are well. In this very short video, what I want to go through is some of the new improvements and enhancements that we've made to the OneSoci platform. I also want to have a whistle-stop tour of some of the new features which we added since we first launched and that you may not know about depending on the last time that you logged into OneSoci. So I'm going to begin with let's begin with the custom tabs, how we've improved those. So the custom tabs, what you'll be able to do now within the custom tabs is be able to create multiple tabs. So the scenario before was that you created a tab and you created that content and then you published it. So the content went to the tab on the Facebook page. However, when you created some new content to be published to the same Facebook page, it overwrote what was already there. So it deleted that tab and put the new content there. Now what we've done is allow OneSoci to create multiple tabs. So it may be that you want to have one tab on a fan page that is related to contests. It may be that you want one tab related to discount offers. It may be that you want one tab telling about latest sales items, or a discount or a tab telling people to book a call with you. These are all the different things that you could do on those individual tabs. Now the great thing about it is that you can have those multiple tabs all on your Facebook page without having to worry that you can only have one that is visible. Now likewise, if you want to delete one of those tabs, it's very simple. You just come to here, press delete, and the tab that is present on that Facebook page will be deleted. Okay, so that's one new feature. Another feature that we've got within posts, which you may be aware of, you may not, is the bulk post. Now the bulk post is exactly that. It allows us to put bulk content and schedule bulk content to be published to our pages at the time that we want. So it's very easy just to insert your content here, as you can see, upload your image if needed, and then choose the page that you want it to go to. And then the schedule time, the same that you're used to with the scheduled time. Now, worthwhile bearing in mind that it's only available for Facebook link posts. Okay, so we've created one post and then we want to add another one, and then another one, and then another one. You get the picture. So you can create the bulk posting all within here. So you can manage it perfectly for one page, for 3 pages. You know, the list goes on and on. And it may be that you want to have content on multiple pages. Then all you do is you fill out the top one and then just go to duplicate. And then it's going to duplicate the last post that you created. Now, why would you need this? Well, it may be that you have lots of content that you want to schedule in. It may be that your clients has lots of content that they want to actually publish to their Facebook pages, but they don't want to kind of do it all at once. They want to drip feed it. And that's exactly what you can do. So your own content or your client's content, and you can manage it directly with the bulk posting from within OneSoci. And you can download that as a CSV file as well and potentially pass that over to your clients and say, this is what we've got scheduled, this is what I can do for you at this time. Again, that's another option for you. Now, one of the features that we've also got is within the contests. Okay, so I'm going to click over to the contests. In fact, let me just change the page here. So I'm going to change this page. Go to the contest. Okay, one thing that you'll see new that once you've created the contest is this little section here, which is like an arrow. Now, what this is allowing you to do is to create mobile optimized links. Now, what that basically means is that the contest that you published before, because we know that tabs aren't viewable on mobile. We all know that. So they can only go to desktop. People on desktop can only view them. What this provides you with is a clickable link that somebody searching via their mobile device will be able to click on and then go over to a contest which is viewable on their mobile device. So you can just click on this, it's going to copy that, and you'll now have that to be able to share in Facebook. So you'd simply share it wherever you wanted to on your Facebook page, and then if a person was looking at your page or if your newsfeed via their mobile device, when they click on that link that you shared, they'll go to a contest that they can view on their mobile device. Okay, again, important to realize that the new feature is in OneSoci for you to start using now, especially if you have a lot of mobile traffic hitting your site or your Facebook page. Okay, another new feature is within the ads. All right. Now, obviously, you can actually see the ads that have been created in your individual campaigns. So you've got your different accounts here, so you could go look at those accounts, you can actually go to those and see what ad you've created, or you can create a new ad. It's important as well that if you're in the members club with regard to OneSoci, you're getting consistent new templates coming into your account every month. Alright, so it's vitally important that you do know that. Designers are creating these all the time, and if you log into your account, you will see new ones. Let's say, for instance, we just chose this ad, okay, and then we're going to go to continue. Okay, so what we can do here, what's changed slightly, is that all the same with website link, caption ad, message ad, but in campaign details, okay, we've got a campaign objective, optimization goal, billing event, and each one of these, as you'll see, which is very similar to the Facebook ad platform though, which wasn't before, we can choose conversions, external, local awareness, page likes, reach, okay, exactly the same that we choose here, okay, and the link clicks. And then we'd simply choose on one of those, and then as you can see here, targeting details. So I'll just shrink all those back up so you can see good. So ad create info is the same. Campaign details is where you're going to get for page likes, for conversions, etc. You can select an existing campaign that you may have, all right, and it'll bring all the details back for that. So the targeting details now. Okay, one thing that you'll notice is that we have all the ability for the different desktop and mobile. We have those Facebook, Instagram, and audience networks, newsfeed, right column, etc. But when we go, let me just go back up. When we go to advanced targeting, you'll notice that when you start to go into flexible specs, it starts to auto-populate and much better than what it does and give you many more choices. For instance, and this is a fantastic tip, okay, when we're broad targeting or when we're targeting to initial kind of markets. So let's say, for instance, we didn't have a custom audience that we'd created, and we want to kind of target people who are interested in internet marketing or affiliate marketing. You know, we could just type in those things. But what we want to try to do is actually, rather than be it broad, make it more kind of narrow down those kind of like potential of getting those conversions. So one thing that is working extremely well for us is actually getting our targeting right, and then let me just go to Facebook, and the good one here is Facebook page admins. Okay, now this is working really well. Now, why is it working so well for us? Well, think about it, and think about the products or the services that you are selling. If they're digital, if the software, if they work with Facebook, what do people who own Facebook pages want? Well, they want more leads. They want the generation of more people coming and viewing their fan page. So if you had a software or access to training that would enable them to actually get that, would they be interested in it? Well, yes, they would. So we're seeing that if we're targeting people who own Facebook pages, one of the main kind of concerns for them is that they want more traffic. They want people seeing the offer of the service. So if you can target them through ads with something that will do that for them, then you're going to do extremely well. And you know, that's just one kind of tip that I can give you, which is working for us when we want to try to bring that kind of broad targeting to a more manageable level, and that's the Facebook page admins. Okay, so what have we done within the OneSoci platform? Well, we've done a lot, okay, and we're going to keep adding new things to the OneSoci platform, as you can see with this. We aren't just going to leave the platform, we aren't just going to leave it, you know, and let it kind of, you know, fester away and not add new things to it. So we're consistently trying to add new features, enhancing it and improving it for all its users. Hope you can see that, and if you've got any questions, if I've rushed anything, if you want anything explaining better than what I've done through this video, just reply back to this email and I'll happily give you a more kind of, let's say, better breakdown on the question that you've asked. Once again, thanks for listening, Lee.